This is H4 time frame of gold. On this time frame, our first resistance is 1815. If this resistance break, then next target will be 1829. 61% retracement of complete bearish trend. If market retrace back, then our support is 1795 and 1785. These two are our support and resistance zone. There can be no market movement because of holiday, so it will trade between these two support and resistance 1815 and 1795. On daily time frame, our support and resistance are 1834, 1765 and 1676. It is still trading inside range between 1834 and 1765. This is the last week of this year. Next year you can expect breakout of this complex bearish correction. Either it break 1676 or upper yellow trend line. If upper yellow trend line break on daily time frame, then it will be bullish trend. If upper trend line does not break and daily candle close below 1765 and 1676 support break, then it will be bearish trend. And next 3 months for gold are bearish because of new central banking policy. On weekly time frame, the support and resistance are same. There is not a big difference between daily and weekly time frame. When we go to monthly time frame, the first support and resistance are 1834 and 1676. Because of holiday, there are minimum chances if price retest 1834 or 1676. If you look global GDP chart from visual capitalist, then you can see superpower of our time United States is on holiday, and US is not only country where people celebrating New Year or Christmas. So majority of world are on holiday and money is not following as shown in this chart. After this week, when New Year start and new week start, all the people come back to work, all the money will be back in the market, and next week after NFP data, the market movement will start. Because of holiday on H4 time frame, you can expect sideways range between 1815 and 1800. The major movement will start next week, next year. You have two choice: either you do not trade, or if you want to trade, then trade based on these daily support and resistance and trend line. Because next month it will test again either 1834 or 1765. The fundamental for gold for next year 2022 are bearish. Technically, if this upper trend line does not break, then both technical and fundamental trader will only sell gold.